What's the meaning of con amore? Con amore. Con amore.
Con amore. Con amore. Con amore is an Italian expression that means doing something with love, passion, and enthusiasm. When someone does something con amore, they put a great deal of effort into it because they truly enjoy it. This can apply to any activity, from cooking to playing music to working on a project. The result of doing something con amore is generally high-quality work that is infused with the creator's personality and attention to detail. It is a way of expressing one's creativity and dedication to a task that brings both personal satisfaction and tangible results.